Welcome to this recording where you're going to listen to insightful moments recorded during live coaching sessions with my clients who come from diverse professional backgrounds. And if you like what you hear today, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And remember to hit the subscribe button now and ensure that you never miss any other episode. Thank you. So one of the ways to actually improve your intonation, inflections, expression in your voice, especially if you're not used to doing that naturally. Perhaps you're more of an introvert or focused on thinking the words instead of feeling them, right? Is to use adjectives and start to express yourself like the word disgusting, for example. You could say, so for me, I would be visualizing something disgusting. But even the word itself, if I connect with the word, my voice will describe it well. And it'll describe it because of its tone and also my facial expression. I'd say disgusting. That was absolutely disgusting. I can feel it in my body. My voice, my face says it, tells the story of that disgusting thing. If I say delicious, oh my goodness, that piece of cake was delicious. You can hear the difference in that. And if I said no, why do I have to say that again? No, I'm not going to say it again. No. Can you hear how affirmative that is? But it's because I'm feeling it. I'm sensing it in my body. Or if I say, yes, of course, yes, go ahead, yes. Hear the difference in that. So adjectives or power words, love, that I absolutely love that place. It's just amazing, that place. See, so I'm using language to help me get the expression because the expression is necessary in our communication. That's what makes us human beings, is to be able to convey messages through expression, through intonation, feelings, energy. There's even energy, vibration in what I say. So words have power. That's why we've got to be very careful the words we choose to use, either deliberately or without being mindful. We could accidentally say something through a word that you may not be mindful of how it came across to somebody else. So this is one thing to practice. So you could get some statements that have got a lot of adjectives in it, start to feel it, visualize a story behind that or a scenario. Practice that even if it doesn't come naturally to you. And then express it. Look at yourself in the mirror. Record yourself. Listen to the change in the voice. And so when we're doing this, we can be expressive, we can connect with others. People always remember the way you make them feel more than what you just said. So we're really putting more heart and soul and connection to what we say. We're meaning what we say what we mean, and we're also deliberately using our voice to communicate in a way that influences the environment, the listener, and makes things memorable, for better or for worse, because sometimes you can describe something with so much intentionality in it, so much emotion that person will never forget the way you said it. And it can also be to our detriment sometimes. So we just sometimes requires a sorry because I didn't mean for that to come out that way. I mean, we've seen that happen before. Or on the other hand, no, that's exactly what I wanted to say. I wanted you to feel what that meant to me, right? So we become stronger communicators. But I think, just be mindful of this and the impact that this can have when you're utilizing this kind of approach, the impact it can have on your conversations and communication. Thank you for listening to this recording. I hope it has helped you. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.